So the original problem is we have a GoPro camera that needs to have a case design that will stand up to harsh environments, like inside of a CNC machine for filming. Another issue is being able to get to the buttons, the power and the selector buttons, while it's inside of its housing. So what we ended up doing is designing membrane switches that allow us to get to these two housings, or two buttons, and then using the fish eyes as part of the housing, and then glass on the back of the housing so you can still see all the statuses in the camera.
Here at Roush Yates Manufacturing Solutions, we use a GoPro 360 Max camera inside our machines for filming for marketing. They were getting damaged from chips or coolant or getting oil in them, so we actually designed our own case in-house, made a 3D model, and then I was able to use Mastercam to program it and machine it on a 5-axis mill. The housing also has the GoPro attachment mount built in, so we're still able to use all our GoPro attachments.